girl Modesty here. Ooh, don't y'all hate when people say that? It's your girl, it's your girl. I know that used to rub me like it was just like, stop saying that. Anyway, it's Modesty here. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. It is Friday. Today is April 9th of 2021. I am headed to the shop. I am going to be there around probably like 1 o'clock till like 4:30 today. I wanted to stay late today. Unfortunately, when you have children, teens, and things of that sort, and everybody's turning 16 this year, including my little sweet 16er, you know, gotta be there, gotta go drop her off and things of that sort. So I'm gonna only be here for a half a day. And so yeah, and then pretty much like my clothes, y'all, I have such a great team. Like our team is like amazing. My clothes just sells itself at times, you know what I mean? Like I have the ways to pay, and or if they don't have Cash App, like one of the team members there will Cash App me and they will just give them cash. Y'all, let me tell you, God is so good, like to link me up with a great team like that. Like God is amazing. And you know, probably I should make another video, because like we did have an instance where like one of the dresses did come up missing. It was a really busy weekend, I think it was spring break weekend or something of that sort. But when I came back from out of town, one of the dresses were missing, and I left all clothing out on the floor, which I should have just probably had left just a couple, but it was a learning experience for me. We didn't have cameras at that time. The owner of Beauty for Ashes Salon, which is my good friend from high school, she actually installed cameras, and so the front doesn't look empty anymore, because I usually, like what I started doing was taking the clothes to the back every time that I would leave and bring them out and put them on the floor every time that I got out there. I mean, that every time that I made it out to the shop. And so, you know, I was just breaking everything down. Some people probably would have said, girl, that's a bit much, but I have a small space. I don't have like a really big space. So I have a small space where my little boutique area is. It's pretty much like the lobby area of the salon. So, I didn't mind doing it. And plus, inventory is money, and you will do what you have to do in order to make sure no one's stealing from you. But yeah, somebody stole. Like stealing, like, you know, we're grown, but I get it, and everybody can't watch everybody, and plus of course I don't have an assistant or whatever. So yeah, but anyways, I probably should make another video regarding that, but pretty much I just told y'all all about it. She now has the cameras installed. Now I leave all of my merchandise out again, because I don't want the front to look all crazy. I just pray over it and everything. And on the days that I know for sure, like Fridays, like Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, or holidays coming up, like Easter, well, Easter just passed actually, but excuse me, like those holidays, I know that people are going to be in there. I make sure I'm either in there or, make sure I'm either in there, or, you know, I make sure that I put the inventory up. So that's what's been going on at the shop, you guys. I did get some new inventory. Let me tell y'all about these vendors though. Y'all, the vendors have been pissing me off. One vendor has like 4 styles of mine. He's a sweet guy or whatever, but listen, I got a business to run and you holding me up, and today I'm definitely going to message him because I'm waiting on my tracking number. I've already paid my invoice. When I tell y'all, it's probably been, is it going on a month now? I am to the point where I legit want to just have ooh, my nail looking ugly, y'all. Ugly looking nail. I'm to the point where I want to just find a seamstress. I don't have time. I am a seamstress myself, but I don't have time. A pattern maker, a seamstress, and I know exactly where to go to get the fabric, and I know a guy that can make prints for me and things of that sort. So they call it like textile, to be quite honest. Well, to go in depth into it. But hold on, y'all. Okay, so y'all, I supported my friend and I brought some lip gloss and some lip stain from her. So I got the lip gloss on and it keeps caking up like crazy, and I don't know, I don't like it. I'm gonna let her know as well, like, hey, that stuff is literally caking. I spent quite a grip on it too. I think it was like $25 for this lip gloss. Y'all, I support all. My friend, she's Hispanic or whatever, so she supported me, I support her. Like, I don't give a rat's behind what race you are. You support me, I'm gonna support you. But yeah, back to what I was talking about. It's called textile, for people to make the actual prints on your fabric. So yeah, so I'm really getting to that point where I want to find those type of people and just invest in all the money that I was putting into buying from vendors from LA and things of that sort. I could literally just be putting it into the fabric, the pattern maker, and the seamstress, and have them to make the pieces for me, so I don't have to worry about, you know, these pieces coming from the markets and, you know, China and things of that sort. And y'all, it can get frustrating. Real talk, it can really be frustrating when it comes down to it. But I'm gonna do a sit down video. I got some stuff we gotta talk about, y'all. It's some stuff that hey, listen, I gotta talk to y'all about when it come down to this boutique thing. Having my boutique inside of a location, like, let me tell y'all, it's some stuff we gotta talk about. I found two wholesalers yesterday. What was crazy though, one was a jewelry wholesaler, which was pretty cool. I found some really good pieces, and the other wholesaler, I found some items that I needed. I just needed some items, basically like some fillers for my floor, because everything is slim to none right now, and people have been coming in buying, and I'm so grateful to God for all the buyers, the customers that have purchased from Quest Couture. But when I tell y'all, like, you don't want to run out of inventory. Like, it looked really empty yesterday, but I put some stuff out on the floor and kind of made it look a little bit more fuller. So when I tell y'all, it's such a learning curve. Like, I literally have been learning so much by having my stuff in inside of a location, just learning about boutique business, period. And then I also need to like, as far as the ads, y'all, like, I would boost an ad up, but I got to get back on my ad game. I can't just be coming to the store every day. So I am looking to get ready to hire like an assistant, because I like photo shoots, and I don't want the photo shoots to be inside the store all the time, like, for real. Make the photo shoot really nice, and you know what I mean, like, just make it really nice. So anyways, how long have I been talking? Ooh, y'all got a 10-minute video driving with me. This is gonna be a drive with me, y'all. But yeah, so, like, it's just so much that I've been learning, so much that I'm grateful for, y'all. Because let me tell y'all, this time last year, your girl was literally depressed, in a deep depression, and I thank God. I'm not where I used to be. I thank God I am where I am today, right now. I was just crying earlier, y'all, because I was thinking, God, I'm not where I used to be. I'm not how I used to be. Like, I'm just so grateful. I'm telling you, I'm so grateful. So much stuff that I've been through. Some people know, a handful of people know. I'm a very private person. I do not put my stuff out on social media. Listen. So much stuff occurred, and some things it was just about took me under. But the devil tried it. But God, listen, God let me survive it. He made me survive it. That's how you go through your tests and your what they call it, your trials and tribulations. But they make you stronger. They make you more dependent on God and trusting and faith and hope that all that stuff gets built. The love of having God, like everything just get built. Like, you know, and if you feel like I feel, definitely comment down below, like, you know what I mean? Like, if you're so grateful that you're not where you used to be and how things have turned around for you. And I know, you know, a lot of people are on the whole move of the universe and things of that sort. I don't go back and forth with people about the universe. I used to be one of those, and then I was just like, But I read in the Bible, I forgot what chapter it was. I think it was in the book of Hebrews, but I have it written down, where it talked about how God literally created the universe. So at that point, I was like, well, why am I praying to the universe? I should be praying to the universe if God created the universe. And so, but yeah, you know, a lot of people are on their spiritual journeys. Y'all, this wind's so crazy. Woo! Gotta keep my eyes on the road, y'all. I'm passing big rigs and stuff. Hunty, ain't about that life. I'm hungry too, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all see how I just be jumping from subject to subject? Y'all probably like, girl, stay on one topic. It gets hard sometimes to stay on one topic though. But when I tell y'all, God has just been so good. And I tried it on my own. I thought I was doing it with God. Girl, I was not. God was laughing at me like, you telling people you doing it with me, but you really not. You doing it on your own. Like, where's your faith? You better start, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta trust in him and know that God provides. My 2 words for the year is God provides. I thought my words were some other words, but no, God provides. That's my words of the year. My good accountability partner, a good friend of mine, she is a good friend of mine. We always meet up and we always have our little thing where we say, you know, our annual check-in is what is our words of the year? What is the word for the year? Mine was revealed to me literally just last month. I was like, oh my God, because everything that I was facing, you know, that little negative chatter in your mind. Sorry, y'all, bumpy roads. That negative chatter in your mind, God, okay, let me slow down. Hold on, y'all. But the negative chatter in your mind, every time I got a negative chatter in my mind, it was like, hold on, y'all. Child, let me get y'all right. Take that out. Ooh, okay, there we go. So every time I heard negative chatter in my mind, or I was thinking that I can't do something or something of that sort, it was like God was telling me God provides. Like, the only words that I would hear in my mind was God provides. Literally, God provides. Blink, 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 blink. God provides. In every situation, God provides financially. God provides guidance. God provides love. God provides faith and things of that sort. That was your bad, honey. You the one ran the red light, silly. Anyways, God provides protection. And so, with that being said, those were my 2 words, and I noticed I was saying it so often. Like when I would try to get down or like worried about like how am I gonna pay this, or how am I gonna get the funds to do this, or how am I gonna how, and it was like God provides, God provides, God provides, God provides. And I was just like, you know what, you sure right, God provides. So yeah, that's what that was, y'all. I'm trying to think if I want to go get me a salad. I've been doing good. I've been working out. I've been doing this Mr. London's Fupa challenge. I don't do it every day. I've been doing it every other day because if you know your body gets sore. So it's just best to do it every other day. Do I want fried okra? Or do I want a salad? Probably could do another salad. Only thing about salads, y'all, I wish I could just chop them up. Like I wish I had the salad chopper. Honey, you go ahead, honey. Honey, you go ahead. Speed, honey. And didn't get nowhere, honey. Girl, stop playing. What do I want to eat? This is bad. Because when I get to the store, I'm not going to want to leave. This really sucks. No, they're not going to have nothing to eat. And I don't want to eat nothing bad. So, I should probably just go get a salad, y'all. That's bad. Can't think of what to eat, so it's a Wendy's that's close by. I could probably get a salad from Wendy's and be done with it. What else to buy? I think Arby's. I wouldn't mind another soup though. Maybe if I get it. No, but I'm hungry now. I want to eat. I don't know what to eat, you guys. There's a taco place. I love tacos. That's one of our faves, is tacos. I could get some tacos over here. But I really need like super salad or something that's not heavy. Or something that's not fried. Because the place that's next door to us, they are overly priced. And I don't want to get just French fries. Like, I don't want to just eat French fries. But anyways, you guys, thanks for driving with me. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. And I am going to find out what I want to eat. Figure it out, pretty much. So, I will chat with y'all later.